Hello everyone, how to do back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use DeepSearch AI search assistant application. So first of all, you need to install this application in your smartphone. Then simply tap on the open button, then simply tap on the continue. Then you can see it's a premium page. So you can see it's really easy. If you want to create your account, tap here, then you can log in. So you don't need to create your account. So you can see here most search people Elon Musk. If you type Elon Musk, answer is here. Elon Musk is a renowned entrepreneur and business magnate, best known for founding SpaceX and leading Tesla as CEO. So you can see here a couple of education and academic records, public need mention news, and this thing. So I'm just going to back from here. If you tap here, academic, so you can see it's a pro level. In the full name search, like if you type any name, Simultant, then you can see there Wikipedia link, Instagram link, and pro source for more. So if you want to get all the link, their social link, then you can see here ask to follow. Hi. So it's not free totally. Like just going back from here and go again. So deep search. So now, like in this application, you can get the people's identification, like their social media, their data, their information. So you have to give their name is here. Like I'm just going to Michael and tap it. So it's not free. Business invest. So you need to buy subscription. It's not free.